Okay, so I'm gonna be reinstalling what was it Corel Linux 1.2 in 86 box because my old installation blew up. Well, first of all, the graphics was messed up. I made a post a while ago, but like it was saying that I need to use 512 by like 384. I think that's just a bug with the like I'm thinking the S3 driver because I was using S3 and it didn't even work on Matrox Millennium or a Voodoo 3000. So for this, socket 7 dual voltage, do sure this MSI. Uh, do this one because it can boot from uh DVD CD-ROM. So this I'm just gonna do 64 megs RAM. Um, I'm gonna do Pentium 166. For graphics card, I'm gonna actually go with the Trident TGY, like the best one. So it gives most VRAM, which highest resolution. I don't need this. Um, these two keyboards and mouse. No, it doesn't have support for wheel mount mice. Okay, I'm not sure if sound is supported, but I'll put Sound Blaster 16 in there. P&P. Just set up the latest version. Well, heck not. MIDI device. I don't think I'll be playing MIDIs on Linux. I don't even know how to play MIDIs on Linux. PCNet Fast 3 always works. Hard disk controller just we are internal. New hard drive can be Corel 1, 2, 8 GB VHD. 8 GB can probably be like extreme amount for this since it's based off Debian 1.2. I do want to have sound for this, but that needs something like this, but like really slow transfer speed. But I'll take it. Quantum Bigfoot. I like how it sounds. Floppy drive, and I'll have sounds. Sadly, there isn't CD-ROM sounds. And that should be it. So start up the emulator. Yeah, you can hear it. Okay, I need to put the disk in. That would be in up, downloads, Corel Linux. I have to go delete. Okay, I'll turn up the sound for 86 bucks. Here, I'll actually focus the window. Well, sure, louder now. Okay. And should be something like that. don't enable this because I did some research and it can mess some stuff up. Do want PPOS installed. There we go. This takes like a really long time. Like if you go back in my video, it took like insanely long. And it was because right now the kernel is actually booted and it's yeah, and now it's getting into the knit system. But it doesn't show you that. It'll give you indication that it's doing that. That's why the first boot up took like really long. Oh, what the heck? What? I have never seen this before. Whoa. What? What the heck? No. Hold on. Change graphics card. Graphics card to Cirrus Logic. Yeah, I'll just speed it up. Okay. Why'd the disc get wait what? Why? Why? Why'd the disc eject? On ATI Mach 64 GX? Why is the resolution like that? There. Oh yeah, 'cause it ejected itself. There we go. Wait, what? Huh? 120 hertz? Wait, do you mean 120 hertz? Okay. Zoom in. Unix. Advanced. Yeah, desktop plus. Actually, no, custom. Okay, I do want the desktop. I do want sound. Let's see, XMMS, this should be good. There is MIDI support. It's TIMIDI. I do want word perfect. Acro read, PDF reader. This is good stuff to use, like GPM. I could, get micro windows on running on here. I do not need mail news groups. Do you want? Do you want development tools? Um. See. GCC. C. G++. I don't need these. Malloc debugger, I don't need that. Flex. Sure. Don't need kernel source. Libraries. Yeah. Don't need that. Actually, yeah, maybe. PMate? I don't need that. Yeah, tickle, TK, important. Don't need that. Don't need documentation. What's this? See, Ryan Microsoft Fast. Good hardens. Which is yeah, that'd be cool. Shells, PDK shell. Growing DNS. Don't need INS. And INS. I don't think that's good. IP logger. Oh. Okay. Take over disk. Yes. Okay, install. So usually with operating systems, Linux distros from like any time period, will ask about like your information. Like I installed Mandrake Linux 9 on the Pentium 3 computer next to me. It asked me like my email and my full name, where I worked. But I just noticed that this just asks for your username. Because this was supposed to be like a single user system. Now the reason why, like if you add a user on modern Linux, use the add user command, it will ask for like the room number, and that's because that's a remnant from back from original Unix, where serial terminals were planted at every desk, and you would log in with your username, and you could check if those actually now I'm pulling that part out of my butt, but it was just there so you knew, just so you could have it. Yeah, the hard drive sounds. Okay, I'm gonna shush up while this installs and watch videos on my phone because, well, the audio is coming from a 6-box which on my desktop, and I can't add another audio source. Okay, so it's been an hour, a little under an hour, but it's still installing. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna put on uh like fast mode or whatever, because I'd like to get this installation preferably done today, and also I want to get some like Wolf SSL and SSH installed so I can do X forwarding, and I also want maybe try to get Wine and get DOSBox X, and I just got a Discord notification and I don't know from what. I'm sorry for the Discord notice. This on you off. quit Discord. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I mean, I was already always here, but turn my mic back on. Should be done. That means it says 100%. When are you gonna go on the next screen? Oh dang, it's taking a while to get past 100%. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna turn off hard drive sounds for now because the only sounds that they have can only be applied to MFM drives, and that's probably why the installation took an hour. But oh well. Yeah, it takes a long time to create the user. If you're wondering how I turn screen back on, I just hit backspace. Oh my gosh! How freaking long does it take? Yeah, it's not locked up. I was copying some from the CD to the hard drive. It's really copying some. Okay, freak, I'm just gonna listen more fish. If it's going to take this long. And just as that, it finishes. Nope. Okay. I do not have enough patience. Okay, there we go. That was like really loud, and I can turn that into sound now. Okay. Wait, is it loading? Okay. Yeah, just Corel Linux. I have no clue how to turn off that like splash screen. I think I might append VGA equals 792 to the boot arguments. I might get out of this mode, but this uses Lilo and not Grub or EXT Linux or Sys Linux, I mean. Yeah, configuring system, this will take several minutes. This is what I was talking about back at the very beginning of this video, where it doesn't show you what's happening. So you just have to trust it. I'll just fast forward it. So, I said that I was gonna build Wolf SSL and Wolf SSH. I also, surprisingly, in the last video, I didn't actually test out WordPerfect, which is, I mean, a little on par. I wasn't in the word processor era yet, but I also didn't check out the video players because there's video and audio players, and I have video and audio, of which I have Bad Apple in 144p and MPEG 1, no MPEG 2, and um oh, and I haven't converted that yet. I can't play that. It was like a Tito song music video, and then for the audio, I have a FLAC and M4A that I could, and I also have Runaway Jim. But like so the song is Runaway Jim by Fish, and it's specifically the version from September 29th, 1997. And the reason why I like that version so much is because it's 58 minutes long. And somebody recorded on a VHS tape, and I downloaded it, and I was like, it's like a big joke in my friend group, and I wanted it to be a video that you could send on Discord, but Discord limits it to 10 megabytes when the smallest I could get it was 80 megabytes, and that was with like 80 by 80 resolution and Opus and also H.265. Like that's as small as I could get it. I like probably could get even smaller if I did 40 by 40 with like a really low Opus, like really low quality Opus, but I'm not sure. Actually, I'll go ahead turn the that'll be the high resolution text test since it's hold on. Let me check how big it is or the resolution is. What's coming to your mind? Okay, and then tools codec. What? 1080p? Yeah, 1440 by 1080. Wow. Um, I'll do 144p. Whoa, what is going on? I just looked at OBS output. Why is there like a few black dots? Hello? I've never seen that before. Okay, let me open up Caden Live. Um, yeah, 144p. Nope. Wait, what was that? 60 FPS? Oh, I don't want that. Um, no, 30. Okay. Oh yeah, looks real good. 144p. Maybe 240p. And Caden live crashed. Sorry, I was tweaking. I heard something in my house, but it wasn't anything. Okay. I can do that later. Well, we have full 1024 by 768. I want to sign in as I don't have a password set. Neither does the root user. I didn't set a password, so I'm guessing. Yep. Okay. I need to set a password. Welcome to the console. Okay, can I? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I need to make this text a lot bigger. No, what? Oh my gosh. Control center. Okay. Password. I don't got an old password. Now I'm just gonna use passwd. We always do. I just noticed, well, this is at 47 hertz. Why? What are the display settings? Now what's at 60? Huh? Except, is it that, hold on, renderer, OpenGL. Oh, I thought it was just because the cute rendering was slow. I guess not. Well, I guess I got true color now. Okay, I hate that resizing. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna have small terminal. Yeah, password. Do I have a password? No, no, okay. There you go. Um, okay, so I'm gonna check out what I got right now. Applications. Got Netscape. Um, hold on. Oh, that's interesting. What? Time 1 trillion milliseconds. What? Hold on. Yeah, I do have an internet address on Netscape. Navigator. I really should have put a faster CPU in this, but this is what the average cheap person would be using. Okay, there we go. Go read my own article. Read my own articles. Oh wow, wait, what? There's color. That's really cool. And they're even working this in bullet points. No, you might not see this, but there's a little bit of text. I know that's there because I put that there. Even that works, discussion plugin. The old net. Okay, guest book. You never know what's gonna be in the guest book. Say guest book. Hello? 16 kilobytes per second. I guess not. Then okay, lunduke.com. Yep, Lunduke loads. It's transferring a lot of data. Oh, there's Lunduke. Oh, because there was these giant pictures. Palm OS, Amiga OS, Solaris. Um, Play 9 or 9 front, I mean. .org? Yes. I don't think it works that well. Oh, it keeps on getting smaller when it renders the text in the pictures. Yeah. This is one of my first introductions to Toho ever. Next to that one virus that Dano CT1 did. this. Um, it's still loading. Okay, that's enough Netscape. What else? Dial up. Let's see. Acrobat. If I want to read PDFs. Okay, here, yeah, there's media players. Like a real player and XMMS. Oh, I do got GIMP. Got games. And I got WordPerfect. And graphics. Here, media player. Wait, do I have wine? I don't. Oh, I should test if I have sound. Sound. There we go. What about this? Hold on. I don't think so. Here, let me open. I think it would be better to do copy party. Yes. Okay, copy party 90. And open up Netscape. We do 168.1.90.923. Oh, what? There. Switch to basic. Videos. Okay. Get bad apple. Ass edition. Oh, yeah, oh no, it's 30 by 40. Download? Copy. We're gonna copy link. Or save link as. Um, yeah, bad apple. Sure. And also get, Runaway Jim. No, it's doing this. It's trying to load it. No. How do I stop? Stop. Save link as. Yeah, Jim's Marathon. Okay, file open. What? Holy crap, that's going fast. Dot wave. It can only play waves? Oh, it's probably what real players for. Okay, stop. Stop. I bet this is what's slowing. Stop. There. Okay. I guess it's real player. Multimedia real player. XMMS might work, but I think that's only for sound. What's crazy is that this is set on RAM disk, which means that it is as fast as it can go. No, I don't care. Thanks. What about, can XMMS play video? I don't think it can. Or is there like a prehistoric version of VLC? Because this is just Debian. Like, this is just Debian. Yeah, copyright 94, 96. Play. I don't think that there's play file. Oh, yeah, I don't think it can. Do I have MPG? I don't even have MPEG play. Um, Vim? Do. Sudo? No. Let's see, apt, apt dot, sources dot list. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be there. Oh, thank you very much, old Vim. I'm gonna use Pico. Um, where is it stored? It's archive.debian.org. And Debian, then, yeah. I'm just gonna use Xedit. I just spat all over my desk. What do you mean you can't open display? This is rage bait. This is rage bait. Why? Okay, it's deb http archive.debian.org debian slink main contrib non-free then Deb http archive.debian.org Debian security. Oh yeah, and also non-US. This and this link is surprisingly still here. This link updates, I think. Yeah, yeah, and then main Debian dash non dash uppercase US. US link non-US. Okay. Oh, I should probably. I wanna. Corel. Sure. So now if I apt get update line 13. Oh, okay. There we go. Uh-oh. Cannot find link update. No such run update. What? What do you mean? Couldn't stat package list link updates main. Link updates main. Debian security this squeeze. No, not squeeze. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. Is that what I did wrong? No. I did it right. And then slink, and then updates. Main. But, oh well. Okay, there we go. Apt. Oh, dang. Get upgrade. 14 packages, sure. Pearl. Oh yeah, using full power of the 100 megahertz Pentium. What? Just a freaking video. I got my feet. I'm on my phone. and the title is God Blesses His Most Retarded Soldiers. And the thumbnail says Christian retard masking with Jesus saying trust me. Why? Freaking thumbnail from Overslice video I got. Oh, current configuration. No. DHCP yes. Needs 0. No, I'm going back. Reacting to the interview that made me a meme. Why are you gay? From Simon Kwagwa Nijala. Cannot connect to X server. Just shut down. I can go into settings. How long have I been recording for? Oh, an hour 43. Damn. Here. 200 megahertz. Surely there'll be no slowdowns. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. Oh! That freaking slowdown was horrifying. Okay, is there search? App. Do I have app cache? There is search in app cache. Nope. MPEG play? MPEG. XANIM GMP MPG123. Okay. Wait, who am I? Okay. MPG123. Please don't tell me it's just a library. Was it? Cannot resolve. Great. Okay. Etsy init.d dhcpcd statuses. Oh, start stop. Oh, interface. ETH0. Now can I ping? No. Why would I be able to? Ah! I'm just gonna do it manually. Okay. I have config ETH0. No. Okay. 10.0.2.15 net mask 255 255 0 up around add default GW 10.0.2.2. Yep. Now can I ping my website? Yes. Okay. And I'm going to put this in user local bin. Oh. ifconfig eth0 10.0.2.15 net mask 250 up route add default GW 10.0.2.2. Okay, and then come on. Yeah, okay. Now I can finally get that. Okay. Oh, this is, yeah, for audio, not for video. Um, wait, MAME was around back in the 90s? Looks like RV player. What? Cannot find. It wants me to get the RPM? No. Freak- Is there no MPEG 2 player? I'm just gonna say VLC. VLC, VLC, VLC. Yeah, VLC or M player. Design. Nope. X inet D. M player. Nope. How much is Zine from the 90s? So I need libmpeg 2 and Zine. What about what if VLC 1? 2009? This might be a little bit of a stretch, but VLC might, like, there's a very slim chance. Videoland.org. Download. Okay. Copy link. Go there. Let's see. 1.0. Actually, no, I'll get like the very first version. 2010. Okay, RPM and deb. Okay. Oh, tar.gz as well. Okay. wget? Yeah. wget, get.videoland.org, VLC, 0.1.99, VLC 0.1.99.gz. Ah, FTP. Oh, this is the source code. What wine? I'm just gonna. Okay. Wine. Okay. Cannot find any MS-DOS drives. Can't open display. Oh wait, it's probably 'cause where's wine server? Wine must be wine. What is this? Cannot stat slash floppy. Cannot stat slash DOS. What? I have to have Windows installed for wine? What the heck are you on about? Oh wow, there's a lot. Why did tar show up when I looked up freaking... Yeah, what version GCC do I have? 295.2? Wait, what? Wait, what? What do you mean elks? What? What? So I can make, I could develop for elks from from Corel Linux 1.2. Why? Why? How? I know how, because elks was around in the 90s. But why? So I can't play videos. I can't play videos, and I can't use wine. Well, audio. So that only supports wave. No FLAC. Nope. Um, there's GMP3, XMMS. Oh, I hate that. Yeah, real player. Oh, yeah, XMMS. Oh no, no, it's probably just for MPEG-2 audio. Okay, let me. Well, another terminal. I hate that. Okay, dev links, links, links. Yes. Okay. 90, 3, music. So all my music. Oh yeah, all those are albums, by the way. There's even more too. We got MP3 and a FLAC, and also MIDI and a wave. Actually, two waves. Your Linus, I guess. And... Okay, MP3. No mistake doing this one because it's 1 hour 30 minutes long. Okay, so that should have downloaded. And it didn't. What? Can't open file dash T. Amazing. I have to use wget. Okay. Wget 192.168 190 323 music. Um Wolf Traitor. I do bring the spider love. Dot MP3. What the heck? I have never seen a wget be like that. What on earth? Got what's going through your mind next tall. Mm, a Mind is Born by Linus Ketson. Is it Ketson or a Kesson? Oh, it's done. After that is uh a flag. What's what going through your mind? It's what's going through your mind. Wait. 62425 dot flag. Damn, is it really that big? Toho. So loud. Okay. And then after that is... Oh crap, there's a space in this. Linus Kesson. A mind is born. That wave. There we go. Okay, I got three types of files. Wave, MP3, and FLAC. Okay, let's start with the wave. Correct output is selected. Well, how do I even do sound in Linux this old? Dev mixer. Chmod A plus X dev mixer. I'll probably have to do some crap with arts. That works. But these don't work. I think Bash just gave up. How to... Oh my gosh. Uses OSS. Do I even have proc? I do. Okay. Okay. Yeah, shut down. Hello? There. So I need a normal Sound Blaster 16. IO 220H, Q 401 330, 515. Okay, DSP version, yeah. Oh, I should have done like 150 megahertz to speed up emulation speed. Oh, what am I recording for? 2 hours. Okay. No, Sound Blaster. Is there? Oh, mod, mod, mod probe. What? Load all modules. Okay. Mod probe SBIO equal to 0x 220 RQ equals 5 DMA equals 1 DMA 16 equals 5 MPU IO equals 0x 30. Okay. 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 It says no install drivers, but it does see it. Oh, okay, that's different. So okay, go to Control Center now, and then go Sound, System Sounds. Okay, that doesn't work. What about XMMS? It's playing. Okay. Um, what about, can it play this now? No. What about, um, MP3s? Yep. Even though do really long songs. What about Flax? I don't think it can do Flax. Yeah, no, it can't do Flax. Okay. So, sound. I got sound working in an old Linux for once in a lifetime. So, I guess yeah, OSS. Okay, I'm thinking. What next? Oh yeah, WordPerfect. So something I heard is that this is basically just WordPerfect for Windows, but with like Wine, from what I've heard. Printer. Okay. I've used WordPerfect before in the past. I used it with Red Hat. It'd be really cool if the source code for a really old version of WordPerfect like this was sh released publicly, because that would mean that there'd be a good text editor for like really old systems just like this. Um, what is a sample text? I have I need something to write down to te test it. Oh, I know. I could probably do one of my articles. Um, load as you think center, wiki, article. Here. Okay. And then like 16. Nobody real. I'm gonna make this bold and started. Oh no, that's 16 to make it smaller. 14. No, it's 13, right? Yes, it's 14. 5926. You earn really is not even my very own parents know what I do. Okay, this. Yeah, size 16. Wow, I really hate how selecting goes. Okay, go to 16. What? What? This is like a really, this word processor sucks because I set the font size here and it gets applied down here. Like that's really annoying and also this like text selection thing, I can select any text here. Like I guess that'd be good for like beginners, but like why? Also it doesn't think my name exists. So what people think my is this man. This tiny footnote as to what my hobby is to that imperative. That's like Benjamin Franklin. What was all with the girls back then? That's a real thing. Uh, I actually learned that that's something school taught me is that my history teacher taught me that Benjamin Franklin like got around and he just left it at that. It does not know what dismantling is. Doesn't know what kinda is. I misspelled Franklin. What I actually do. What I do is very my hobby is okay. Select that, make it 16 in the bold. I am a retro computing enthusiast, but I think that Windows and DOS and Mac OS Classic is boring as heck. So I like using Unix and Unix like operating systems on them. Something about my retro computing mark is that I am not like most people that install Red Hat 5.2 on their system and are kinda like, wow, Linux 2.0.36. Wow, 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 FVWM 95. Wow, ow, ow, ow. Xno. Okay, and then I have to. This doesn't have shift control for. It does have control moving, but not by with shift. Okay, italicize this, and can I color it? Oh, I can't. So this is red. This is orange. This is yellow. Uh, yeah, yellow. Then green. Freaking selecting text in this is so infuriating. Green. And then purple, then pink. Purple, where's I like a deep purple. And then pink. Then red. Not that. This. And then orange. Without exclamation point. And then there's orange. Then yellow. And then green. Yeah, you can do colors. But not much after that. It's more like, look, Linux, look, NetBSD. The people that do videos like this probably don't know how to use FTP, and that's like it's monospaced, but I don't think this can do monospacing. Yeah, no monospacing. It's like a reddish purple, and also bold maybe. And I have to look up the syntax for tar because they don't know how to use the man command. Yeah, there's a lot. Okay, and BSD is not in the dictionary. FTP is not in the dictionary. Okay. With these, if I can spell these, retro Unix like operate. My work goes something like this. Workflow is not a word yet. Okay. Can this do numbered lists? There is bulleted numbering. Um, how do I insert that? Bulletin numbering. Ah, there we go. Okay. Start recording with OBS. More later on. What? That's weird. Okay, and then if development stuff is not installed, install them. If installed, go to the next step. Next step? Like the next step? Okay. Get networking working. Get FTP or HTTP working. What I mean by that is either FTP command, like FTPing into like ftp.gnu.org, or like by HTTP. HTTP, I mean something like curl or wget. What's this? Oh, nice. Is this bold? No, it's not. Download. Download bash 4.0. Compile bash 4.0. Download pfetch and neofetch. Run them with the compiled bash version. Okay. And then if they ever out, such as with Apple Rhapsody developers 2, then edit it to make it run. And screenshot, upload, profit. Oh my gosh, this is longer than I thought. I mean, next is bulleted. Now, this might make you think I only know about old Unix and Unix likes, but I can pretty much maneuver throughout any Unix or Unix like because they are basically the same with the same commands that all do the same thing. I'll go through a few commands that are on every Unix and Unix like. And this needs bold underline. Yeah. Okay, then I need bulleted lists. Insert, not that, I don't need a table. What's a numbering? Need circle. Tar. Extracts and creates. .tar archives. CD. Changes the current directory. Maker makes a direct with the same name after the command, e.g. maker source. Maker source makes a directory named source. Let's see. C compiler. 99% of the time. U elks sh shell. Bin sh is usually something like the Almquist shell, but any that has sh in it will 90% of the time be a shell of some sort. FTP client can connect to things like ftp.gnu.org to get GNU source code or ftp.gnu, netbsc.org to see the beastie ASCII art. Okay. Now, even with all this, this is not all that I do. Okay. Noun phrase. I have no clue what that means. It does not know a screenshot. is, okay, tar. Okay, then, oh yeah, I need to do this as well. And that, also this. It does not know what Almquist is. What else? Yeah, this has to be monospaced. What do you mean blue? Noun phrase. Okay, the links have to be blue. Because this was the age before the internet was a big thing. Does not know beastie. Bast. Bast is not a word. Doesn't know what NetBSD, doesn't know what org is. Doesn't know make, dir, or src. And I have to also make this like dark gray. Or like really light gray. There we go. That's all I'm gonna do. Um, what I do. Does it not have... Yeah, it literally just does not have. Console. Wow. That's impressive. And I think... No, I need to do SSH. Okay. I do have it downloaded. So it can mount the folder. No. I can just download it from my main tab. Freaking idiot. Do I have unzip? I do not. Now I have to be. Really? Oh yeah. Let's start there. There we go. Okay, W get 192.168.190.1493. Downloads. If I can spell downloads. Wolf SSL master dot zip. Okay. Here. Why is it PDFs? Actually, that would be a good place to test the Adobe Acrobat. There we go. I do have to do autogen. Okay. That gives me a lot of hope. This is gonna be really good. What the heck? Uh, auto reconf install force. Is that? Yeah. There still isn't a configure script. I do have, I did actually run the auto thing on my desktop. Let me download it. I have XE. Do not. No, I do not. I don't have XE. Oh, jeez. Wool. Okay. Okay. Wolf SSL. Oh yeah, because of course GitHub. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Um, so I need to get Wolf SSH. FFmpeg, what? Why? Why FFmpeg? There, enable Wolf SSH. Okay. It's gonna take long, long, long time. So, I'm gonna turn my mic off and also the sound as well. Because, I mean, I don't want to be sitting here without, um, want have a video with me. So, okay.